if you're experiencing controller drift while playing Cyberpunk 2077, there are several steps you can take to enhance your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help reduce or eliminate the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller settings in the game are properly configured. Go to the settings menu, navigate to the controls section, and adjust the dead zones for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift. Step 2. Clean your controller. Dust and debris can cause controller drift. Carefully clean the analog sticks and the surrounding areas using a microfiber cloth or compressed air. Make sure to remove any particles that may be affecting the movement. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the firmware. This can resolve any software-related issues causing drift. Step 4. Test on another device. To determine if the issue is with the controller or the game, test your controller on another device or game. If the drift persists, the problem may be with the controller itself rather than Cyberpunk 2077. Step 5. Consider a replacement. If none of the previous steps resolve the drift issue, it may be time to consider replacing your controller. Look for a model known for durability and performance to ensure a better gaming experience moving forward. By following these steps, you can enhance your gameplay and minimize controller drift in Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming sessions.